Infertility is a serious problem. So in today's video, we're going to look at tea that you can use to increase your chances of conception. So stay tuned and watch this clip to the end. Cinnamon and bay leaf tea is very useful in fertility. It's evident that God has given us everything we need to solve every problem that will come our way. For a man, cinnamon and bay leaf tea is going to help to increase the flow of blood to the penis. It's going to help to increase sperm count and sperm motility. For a woman, this tea is going to help to treat irregular menstruation. Irregular menstruation has been reported to be the major cause of infertility in a woman. Because if your period is not regular, at times you might end up not ovulating. You might not even know when the ovulation is taking place. That's why you need to be consistent with the info you're going to get from this video. Besides, this tea is also going to help to treat PCOS, that is polycystic ovarian syndrome. How do I prepare this tea? Very simple. Get 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder and 5 dry bay leaves with 1 liter of drinking water. Allow to simmer for 5 minutes. Then allow to sit for 24 hours. Filter and store in a container in your fridge. Take half glass morning and half glass in the evening, preferably on empty stomach. For a woman, it's advisable you start this during the second half of your cycle, but for a man, you can start immediately. If you're consistent with this tea, you realize that before your next period comes, there must be changes you can feel from your period. On the comment section, don't forget to drop your experience and ask your questions so you can be well guided. If you're yet to identify with Ask Dr. Anita via your subscription, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell of notification so when things like this are dropped, you'll be first alerted. Don't forget that you are in charge of your health.